What GPU do you have?
4070 Ti.
Yes. Halfway decent processor.
i7-137.
How much wham? How much dedicated wham?
About 64 whams.
Okay. Well, listen, I'm a nerd. I'm all about it. I got it. But guess what? I got mine when I was out of debt. I was out of debt. You can't afford to live. You don't need a fucking gaming PC, which just presents you to spend more money on getting the games.
Yeah.
What are you even playing on it?
Well, right now, Starfield, Baldur's Gate 3.
Yeah, you do need a good GPU for that Starfield.
Yeah. But so these.
What did you get from there?
Is that Newegg?
Yeah, it's Newegg. What'd you get from Newegg?
That was the 4070 Ti.
What came in your PC?
A 3060, I think.
Use it for a bit.
Yeah.
For a bit. It's okay. You put settings on lower settings for a bit.
Yeah.
So that you can survive. So that you don't die on the Walmart floor.
I just hit the mic by accident. I don't
It's
know if that messed up anything.
It's okay. I'm feeling like I want to punch my mic. Oh yeah. 30%. What is the monthly payment on this 30%?
176.
At least you know it.
Yeah.
I respect that. Now, guess what? I Buy Power. We went and we got, when I got my first gaming PC, which is the one we're using for the studio back there, very good. Very good. And I've had it for a while now. It was cheaper than this, so you got a damn good PC.
Yep. And I'm sure being a pre-built, it was a little overpriced.
Depends where you get it from. I Buy Power. I don't know. I got mine from NZXT. It was overpriced for about $300 with parts, but it was pre-assembled, of course. I only did that because the GPU in the pandemic, they were like over gouging on reselling.
I think I got lucky.
I think you got. I mean, you got bullied on Newegg. Okay, so you owe on this one $2,099.28. I'll speak for that part of you inside. Absolutely. We have a remaining balance, $1,763 on here, and it's like the 136 probably at 30% interest. 30%. Everything's 30%, except for the payday loan, which was at 1,000,000%. Best Buy credit card. What did you say you did with this? You bought your nephew something? You give too many people money you don't have. Yeah. To be very clear. Yeah. You give people money that you have as long as you're hitting your investment goals, as long as you can afford to survive. What'd you buy?
What?
You know what's killing me?
The interest.
Yeah, the interest is bad. Missed payment.
Why
are you possibly missing a payment?
It shouldn't be missed.
Well, guess what?
I think that one's structured to add the fees. That's why I just realized that after the first payment, and that was my goal. Is that one needs to go as quick as possible. What even is this?
What is Credit Fresh?
It's the same thing as Op Finance or the Op loans. It's a personal loan.
What's the interest or the fees baked in? What does it equate to?
I don't know, probably like 80%, but I'm not sure.
I just can't believe that's even a thing that exists. Yeah. Please help me through this episode and hit the subscribe button.